Liberty Avenue, the main drag of South Richmond Hill in Queens, also known as Little Guyana. Which, as the name suggests, is home to Guyanese and also Trinidadian immigrants, predominantly of Indo-Caribbean ancestry. Greater Richmond Hill is also sometimes called Little Punjabi, with the largest Sikh community in New York City. One of the biggest attractions for visitors like us is the food. There are eateries all along Liberty Avenue, and don't let the term bake shop confuse you. Most of their fare is savoury. This is Singh's Roti Shop and Bar. It's packed this Saturday afternoon, and the line just never seems to get any shorter. A DJ spins and sells Caribbean music, and there's a huge array of Trinidadian and Guyanese specialties to eat. There's always Roti China, which is a chickpea stew, curries, saltfish, and Singh's $1 doubles.
What is a double?
Double, this one have a same puri and inside chana dal.
We always come here, good food, friendly, tastes great. Remind us a little bit of home.
First of all, it's amazing. And how much food they have here, it's so awesome.
I guess how delicious it is and authentic, and the variety of food here. Outstanding.
Walks New York had goat and a potato curry with roti. We actually tried to get into another popular restaurant just a half a block away, Sybil's Bakery, but it was just way too busy. The immigrant influence in South Richmond Hill is ubiquitous. Cricket bats lining a storefront. In New York City? Of course, India, Guyana and Trinidad are all former English colonies, so grocery stores stock good supplies of British colony products like Milo and rusks. As is so often the case with Walks New York, there just wasn't enough time to explore more of the neighbourhood. And so we'll be back. Please subscribe to our Walks New York YouTube channel. And if there's a neighbourhood you'd like to see, let us know. Till next time, happy rambling.